All right, folks, let me tell you a story, because stories are fun and can be more insightful. Here at Gramener, we believe in telling stories. As you can see here, I'm leaving my home in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and headed to Dallas, Texas. Why am I going? Well, let me tell you.
Hello, my name is Crnkovich. I am coming to you live from the Pittsburgh International Airport. I'm currently on my way to the 2021 AI Manufacturing Conference in Dallas, Texas. I'm very interested to go and represent my company Gramener at the event, and also to just learn some new things, right? Meet some new people, do some networking, and just learn a little bit more insight, and also talk a little bit more about some of the softwares that we have to offer. I'm very eager to get out there though and meet up with some coworkers. I'm going to be meeting a couple of them for the first time here. Be getting some more updates going here soon. Peace.
Welcome to Dallas, Texas. Western Dallas, Park Central Hotel.
Absolutely. Happy to be here. Appreciate it, man. At my hotel room in Dallas. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and see what's like inside. I like what I see. Wow. Oh man, what more could you ask for? I mean, seriously. Here we are. All right, now I'm gonna go get ready. So I will catch you in a little bit.
Here at this point, I just want to take a quick moment and thank my company Gramener for making this so comfortable and easy for me. I'm truly happy and excited to work for such an awesome organization. So kind of an eventful night here. We set up our booth, everything is in place. Got a bright and early start tomorrow. Currently just reviewing some notes right here on my MacBook. Just relaxing. Winding down for the night. We're ready to go.
Rock on with AI manufacturing.
Hey.
All right, there we go.
You said it best.
All right.
Took the words right out of my mouth.
Yep. All right, so we'll check in here a little bit later after the presentation, see if we can get some recordings of our presentation when Naveen and we all speak up there. So thanks.
That was Matt, our Associate Principal Data Consultant. He's going to give a presentation right about now. But before that, let's hear from our co-founder, Naveen, who is going to speak about our digital twin model. And I'll tell you what, it's pretty damn interesting.
Our next presenter is Naveen Gattu, who is the COO and co-founder of Gramener, where he advises enterprise on data-driven leadership strategies, roadmap, and is an avid speaker at industry and academic forums. Welcome, Naveen.
Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. It was a delicious lunch. Yeah, it makes me nervous now. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to speak today more in a way how the low-code platforms are being used, and more contextually in the manufacturing domain standpoint, how we are building low-code digital twins. Let me just take you a minute to the outer space. So 51 years ago, Apollo 13 was launched. This is one good story which is almost like an early digital twin, if at all we need to kind of call about, where the simulation has happened, where there's a good amount of data processing, live feed, and able to apply back to it. Major applications we're seeing in automotive, manufacturing, oil and gas, energy and utilities. These are the areas where if you have a physical environment and you want to tweak and simulate, obviously you can't do that live environment. You need some environment to replicate and create it out. I think people are more getting into it, and we are seeing good amount of demand coming in this front right now. So this is one of the digital twin, what we did from a pharma manufacturing standpoint. The use case largely was, can I predict good batch of all the and telling them, hey, at this stage, looking at what the scenario has happened, you'll have a fine powder. Now I'm trying to create a simulation twin. Now if I change this to, change this variable, what would happen? Can I predict it out? It seems to be the fine powder. So I can change the dryer temperature to 80 degrees.
As Naveen said, my name is Matt Burgos, and I'm an Associate Principal Data Consultant with Gramener. And today we're going to talk a little bit about the operational digital twin and how we can use GramX IDE to help upload new devices. So as we just spoke through with our operational digital twin, we know that we can get a digital representation of our physical assets, of our physical production line. But anybody here, quick poll, has anybody had to wait for shipping on anything, any new devices or anything get stuck in customs reports lately? Yeah, see a couple, right? So let's say that I'm running Burgos Pharma today and I've been really wanting to add some visibility to my inlet temperatures. And finally, after a nice long stay at the Port of Los Angeles, my IoT device has arrived and I'm ready to add it to my operational digital twin.
We do build custom solutions like a consulting organization, but bring our platform and provide consulting services to our clients. So today we work with more than 120 odd clients across varied domains. Supply chain logistics and manufacturing is one of the key focus for us as a company. But primarily, we are more a data-driven organization. So if you're looking for any of you to mature your data roadmap, improve your data culture, have the digital twins, happy to have a conversation.
So that's a wrap. Thank you for coming along with me on my travels and listening to my story. As you could tell, this was quite a successful event.
All right, it's me and Nikhil here. We're at Mayfield Live. Cheers to a great conference.
To learn more about our solutions and what we can do to help you, visit www.gramener.com. See you later.